How to make and create class notes document on Google Docs PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just follow with me until the end. First thing, you have to go to Google Docs. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go here, click on template gallery, scroll down until you find class notes, and now here on this page you will be able to change everything from the text, the colors, and everything right here. As you can see, everything can be changed. After you finish, click here on the share, and that's it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later.